Good day. My name is Kinsey Christine Apia, a student from IBMS 2G. Today, I'll be briefly discussing the concept of business ethics. According to the book Sustainable Business by Helen Kovner and John Blewett, business ethics can be referred to the action of a whole organization and to that of a group of people. If you ask me, I would say that business ethics simply refers to the moral way of life of a group of people in a company. Business ethics, however, varies in every company. Knowing the ethics of a company can be very useful when answering questions like, what are a company's morals, values, ethics, principles, and how is a company motivated? The history of business ethics can be traced to the period since roughly the early 1970s, when the term business ethics came into common use in the United States. The term is originated from the constant academic writings and teachings by historians, business meetings, researches, and publications. As the term entered more general usage in the media and public discourse, it often became equated with either business scandals or broadly with what can be called ethics in business. However, due to the flexibility of this topic, there are a lot of versions of the history of business ethics by different historians. Due to this fact, the main question, what is actually the history of business ethics, has been left unanswered. Also, due to the fact that business ethics varies worldwide, the issue of which types of ethical values are supreme is debatable. One of the many companies that showcase their experience in business ethics is Starbucks. Some may argue that Starbucks has no ethics due to previous events. In my opinion, the company's bad press shouldn't outshine what it does for society. Unlike companies, Starbucks always fixes its environmental problems. The company also encourages customers to be environmental cautious by offering a 10% discount to those who bring their own reusable cups and give free coffee grounds to customers who want to use them for compost. Starbucks is also dedicated to its baristas, offering them full health insurance benefits and stock awards. In addition, the company is a vocal advocate of same-sex marriage. To conclude my lecture, I personally believe that business ethics varies everywhere. Just because Company A might have a totally different company ethics as compared to the business ethics of Company B doesn't mean Company B does not have good ethical values. Every type of business ethics must be respected and obeyed. This concludes my lecture. I hope you learned something from it, and thank you for your attention.